Hey people, it's a light week for new things, so not a lot for me to say. I hope you enjoyed learning about momentum the first week with conservation of momentum, impulse, those kinds of things. This week, what you're going to do is you're basically going to use that stuff. You're going to focus on scenarios, mostly crashes. When things crash into each other, what happens? You're going to be talking about something called inelastic collisions and elastic collisions and perfectly elastic collisions. Think of elastic as that elasticity idea, the bouncy ball idea. Inelastic, the opposite of that, when things don't bounce. Um, so you're going to get to incorporate some energy back into your stuff this week. How does energy change during these collisions that take place? You're going to find that momentum seems to always be conserved, but energy isn't always conserved in the type of collision you're talking about. And you might be thinking to yourself, wait, how can energy not be conserved? Energy isn't conserved when it's not a closed system. So where's that energy going? It's going outside. Where is it going? You're going to have to figure that out. Well, you have to think about it. And then there's going to be other cases where both the energy and the momentum are conserved. So that's what you've got going on this week. And we'll see you next week.